Welcome back to Tires on the Road. Kim, John, and Muggsy make our way to North Carolina to visit the birthplace of aviation, Kitty Hawk. What a surprise! We really enjoyed our short stay here and really liked our last minute camping location. Come along and enjoy this coast to coast trip. All right, made it to Kitty Hawk, North Carolina. 6.5 hours from our last spot up by Washington down here to Kitty Hawk RV Park. But somebody's parked in our spot with their car, so we can't get in right now. Easy access across the road here to the beach. The happiest people in the world pass through these doors. What do you think, Muggs? What do you think?
Is he laying down?
All right, feet in the Atlantic once again. There it is. Coast to coast. Second time in a year. How amazing is that? That's where we had snacks, right over here. Some good Mai Tais. Enjoying this beautiful weather. And there's Muggsy. Almost got washed away, huh, Muggs? Are you running around on the beach? You running around? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Good morning from North Carolina. Kitty Hawk, day 31. Hopped up this morning. It's 5:30. Sun's supposed to come up at 5:45. I'm gonna catch an East Coast sunrise this morning. I don't think I've actually seen a sunrise from the East Coast of the United States. Seen it in the Caribbean, but never here in the United States. So it's gonna be a beautiful morning. Gonna hit up Kitty Hawk today, the Wright Brothers Memorial and Museum. Being an aviation buff, that's going to be pretty cool today because that's where it all started, right there with the Wright Brothers. Tomorrow we're going to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina. Going to be there for 4 nights, and then we're going to start making our way home from there. But last couple days, a lot of travel. Washington, D.C. was awesome, and looking forward to getting some open road in without traffic and without cities. So it's going to be a great day today, and we're going to start out with a beautiful sunrise. kind of cool being here, walking the same ground that Orville and Wilbur Wright discovered flying, and looking up and seeing a modern day aircraft fly over, knowing that it started right here. Back when Orville and Wilbur Wright were discovering flight, all this out here was just sand dunes. This was just a sand dune. No greenery. There were no trees. There were no buildings. It was just sand dunes with nothing in sight. Just think, aviation started right here. Alright, that's a wrap to Kitty Hawk. Pretty cool place. Last walk on the beach. Muggsy's out getting his wiggles out. And we are off to Myrtle Beach tomorrow. Hopefully six hour drive, maybe 7. And we'll be there for 3 or 4 nights. Then we're going to start heading back west to California via Kentucky. Going to try and squeeze the Bourbon Trail in. So hope you enjoyed today's video, and we will see you in the next episode. Make sure you hit that subscribe button down below, give us a thumbs up, send us a comment, and all that fun stuff you know about to do on YouTube. So we will catch you later. What are you guys doing? Are you eating sand, Mugs? Here, put your leash on. Good boy, Mugs. Did you get sand in your eyeballs? Yeah. Looks like you did.
Yeah.
That low ground clearance and those little feet. Let's go home and wash you up.
Yeah, let's go.
Nice place, fun beach. That's it. Short hop over the dunes, and you are back at the RV park.